So I showcased recently this like crazy expensive phone, $25,000. I mean, you probably saw the video. If you didn't, go check it out. It's ornate. For the other people out there that still need to be in that territory, but maybe not to that extreme, you got this company here. They're making, as far as I can tell, the most expensive iPhone cases on planet Earth. And the company's called Gray, and this case in front of me is called the Alter Ego. I think this Alter Ego one that we have here is like $2,000, something like that. They make another case, this thing, which is a bumper, and this is also like $2,000 for this particular version I have. They sent a bunch of them. What exactly are these crazy expensive cases? How do they look? And so on. So anyhow, let's start with the Alter Ego. This is the first thing you have to install onto the device. Look at that little guy. And this protects your phone because it's like machined out of titanium. That's metal or aluminum. It's held together by magnets. Ooh. And now you are in expensive land territory. So pretty much this is like if you have a Lamborghini, you have to buy this case. Your key doesn't work until you have this case for your phone, actually. You can see at the top here, Jack, it says number 14 out of 500, so super limited. Again, if you're talking about luxury items, there's nothing more luxury than limited. You just know, that's it. I got one of a handful, so it's special. It has to be. You have the little screwdriver tip. What is this? What is this? Oh, extra screws. This is the little message, but it's on a metal plate. The spirit of the future engineered today. Almost every significant human achievement has been founded on two beliefs: that the future can be better than the present, and that it is in our future power to make it so.
This is the spirit of the future.
You see that, Jack? That's the future. You understand? It's got like these little grooves. It's obviously machined. Anyhow, what is this about? It's a little paperwork. So you peel that baby out like that. Put this guy on first. So this rubber sort of protects your device. I mean, you're probably gonna wanna get this color on a black iPhone, I would guess. You know what's weird about this though? You're putting a case on the phone that costs more than the phone. Is the case protecting the phone, or is the phone protecting the case? You get this little screw in there. This phone is now, I mean, you got the cost of the iPhone. You got the slab on the outside. You are now squarely in the territory of what, like this whole package being $4,000, $3,000, something like that. I know what it is. What's on the phone is so valuable. You understand? Your messages, yeah, James Bond stuff comes around the camera here. It doesn't do it on that side. That's a bit strange. Now the good thing here is that they have a slightly less intense version of their ultra expensive case. It's the Advent, which I actually think they're more famous for. It's a bumper style. Even here, it is still incredibly luxury. This is metal, the whole package, gray on the bottom. This is the Advent bumper case, and this is the Aurora color. And as you can see, it's like a color shifting purple, orange, blue, and you have the same rubber bumper piece that goes in first to protect your device. It's actually for an S10 Plus, that's right. S10 users not left out. They can also enjoy ultimate luxury status. There we go. Very nice, okay. All right, so they make it for the Galaxy devices, latest ones, the iPhone devices, big, small, and actually this Aurora color setup with this kind of back, it's a whole vibe. Look at that. You see that, Jack? But this one is actually limited to 50. Number 4 out of 50. Wow. It gives you an incredible grip on the device. It's all, you know, very angular, but it's a bit raw as well. It's kind of pokey. I don't know. This stuff is extreme. It's intense. That's kind of the idea of it. I mean, this is really for people that are looking for the most outlandish, crazy, expensive luxury stuff. They ran out of stuff to buy. Like, that's who it's for. Well, what's the exact price on this one? $1,300. You see, it's still more than a phone. You still rather dent a phone than that thing. It's kind of wild. For some customer out there in the world, some supervillain, a Russian oligarch. What does oligarch mean?